All right, am I live? Are we back? Yes. Okay. All right. Are we back on YouTube though? Is the other question. Yep, we're live on YouTube. Hi, Rugmat. It's not going to YouTube. Sending chat. Just to YouTube. Test. Testing. Testing. I wonder what's causing that. I wonder if I manually do fart. It's like it's not actually connecting to YouTube for... Very blurry on YouTube? Yeah. It's weird that that's the case because YouTube should be higher quality. I'm looking at YouTube right now. See? And it looks blurry to me there. Whereas like I think on Twitch it's not as blurry, right? It kind of looks a little blurry there too, which is crazy. Streamception. It changed to 760. It is much better. Oh, if you come down in the bottom right, the gear, and you click on what quality you want. I mean, it's usually set to auto. So if you want it to be the highest possible quality that I'm streaming, like at the source level that I'm streaming at, 1080 60 is what it is. So it's just weird. I thought like this. Yes, that's what I did. Okay, May. I would have thought, and like your messages aren't coming through on here. So it must not be connecting properly, or what the situation is here. These are all connected. Maybe if I exit it and reopen it. Streamer bot loading. It's weird. It's not like, I don't know what this is. Where are their docs maybe? Search for YouTube. Now the streamer bot is connected to your YouTube account, you can edit the stream information. No, this can only be done when you're live on YouTube. I am. Maybe it's because I'm using the wrong Google account. I mean, it is Clarkio. That's who I'm live as. It's picking that up. I don't understand. There must be something wonky going on. Because, so, like, my Google email, I have several channels. Like, I have clarkio chats and, like, that I thought I was going to start doing clarkio stream VODs, etc., etc. But instead, I just have clarkio. Like this, right here. So, and it seems to be getting that that's the case. But it's not. I don't know. Also, this is super delayed. I'm not even on that view anymore. Oh, it's because of the recording. Now we're live. Let me try maybe. Maybe switch into that. Pause here. Go into this. Disconnect, disconnect. Forget account, forget account. Sign in with Google. That one. That doesn't seem right. Cancel. Something must be wrong with the way I have my YouTube account configured, I guess. That's so weird. I'm gonna try another account. I'm just gonna keep switching through them all. Oh, weird. All right, I got it working now. I had to sign it. I guess I had to just switch which channel I was using. All right, chat, you ready? All right, here we go. Switch scenes. I come in here and I say fart. It was very delayed, but it worked. Okay. And now if I send a message from here, I go test. It went to both. Yes. All right, we got it working. Cool beans, chat. Figured that out today. Hey, May, can you like mention me on YouTube in the chat? The YouTube chat when you get a chance, May? Nice. Okay, cool. Perfect. So now I'm going to use this to read my chat, I guess, from now on. Actually, I don't think I can. Because it's on... Well... Yep. I don't think I could actually use that. But at least... So now I can set up all these commands to work on YouTube. Oh, this is opening up the possibilities to all kinds of stuff now. See, and this is the reason, yet another reason why, to clarify, why I'm moving away from my bot. Because my bot is very tightly coupled to Twitch, which is fine because that was the intention behind it. But now that I want to support both platforms, streaming platforms, the quickest and easiest way for me to like take what I have done for Twitch to YouTube is using StreamerBot. Now, the heavy lifting here for me is to like get all my sound effects hooked into StreamerBot. Like right now I just have fart or like do it is just that, like it's just here, and the action for do it which is here, I think is disabled. Let's enable it. Command do it. So now if I send do it from here, will that work? I don't know.
Do it! Just do it! Yesterday you said tomorrow, so just do it!
Didn't do the visual effect.
Dreams come true!
That's because it's probably hooking up to the old, yeah, the other OBS
Do it!
instead of this one.
Just do it! Yes, you can!
All right, so that should work. Oh, OBS get current scene. If current scene. This is something I've been trying to figure out. I wanted one where it will just do it in all the scenes instead of. So let me give you an example here of limitation with StreamerBot, but I think in the latest update they've solved this. But hold on. So I wanted to have just a general applause command as an example. I wish I could zoom in more so you could see this more easily, but it is what it is. Yet another downside of StreamerBot. Like it's like Battleship Gray, like it's an app built from in 1995 for Windows 95. But I end up having to create like separate applause for each scene that I might do the applause. But what I'd like to do is just have one, which is where I started down, and then we get the current scene. If the current scene matches these scenes, you know what I mean? Then trigger the effect that way. Right? And so in this case, I was like, hey, applause main scene, applause talk scene, da 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 da, right? But I wonder if they fixed this. Core. Arguments, actions. Comment log. System. Sounds. How do we do? Maybe it's integrations. You can even integrate with Discord, man. Elgato. Can I get my Elgato key lights? Stream Deck. Whoa. I didn't know it did that. How did I do that? Conditional. I forget how I did that. Delay actions. Run action. Get action. State. Globals. Miscellaneous. Quote sound system. Timers. Users. Voice control. What? Oh, logic. Break, get input, if else. Yeah, so if else is just like, I'm gonna have to have like a bunch of nested if else's to do this. You know what I'm saying? Oh. I wonder if you could do like a nested if else one. But that gets really hacky. Basically, I just want to like, based on the current scene. Actually, that's what I should be able to do. Just get the current scene. Then OBS sources. Can I get a source? In that scene, set random scene source visible, get scene item properties. kind of what I'm trying to think about doing is like get the current scene, see if that source is available in the scene, which is the applause one in this case, and then toggle it on. Wait a little bit, toggle it off type of thing. You know what I'm saying? That's what I was thinking of doing here. But probably not. All right. I'm getting close to time, so I'm gonna call it there. I want to thank everybody for joining the stream today. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe had some fun looking at the innards of how my stream works and that type of thing. Off subject question if you have time. Yeah, sure, go ahead. Kid Neptune says no worries. I appreciate that. May, hit me with your question while I'm wrapping things up here. So yeah, I hope you had some fun kind of tinkering, fixing my bot with me. And seeing some of the behind the scenes of how I produce the stream. And it's in this flux state right now. Oh, of course there's an ad.
There's an ad running for 150.
My stream is in this limbo because I had moved my desk around. I got a new PC, and so that's why I wanted to address some of that stuff. Your Discord says this server requires members with moderation powers to have two-factor authentication. Yes. May, you can ask the question over on YouTube where you don't have ads. I don't have any ads on YouTube. If you want to watch on YouTube, here's the link in chat. So we can skip the ads that Twitch is pushing. But yeah, my Discord requires members with moderation powers to have two-factor authentication. That does not mean if you're just a general member in the Discord, you don't have to have two-factor authentication enabled. I don't think I have that set up for the entire Discord server. It should be just for me and my moderators. So hopefully that helps me answer your question. Unless you're back from ad, or you're waiting for ads still. You know what I need to do is probably watch Nutty. So those of you that don't know, maybe you do, maybe you don't, but I like youtube.com/Nutty. He does a lot of great videos on. Can't hear me on YouTube? I hear me on YouTube. Unmute the great video. Unmute it. I'm having a chat with May over on YouTube. Now you can. Okay. So May, your question about Discord, it's only for moderators. You don't have moderator permission in my Discord, so you shouldn't have to worry about two-factor authentication. If that's what your question is related to. Ad's over. You cannot take any moderation actions until you enable it with a button that says resolve. What is this about? So I can hit the resolve button. No, you shouldn't have to, May. You shouldn't have to turn on. I mean, if you want to, it's good. It's good security for your account. I would encourage it. But you shouldn't have to in order to be able to participate in my Discord server. You just only if it's only moderators if they want to take actions against any users in the Discord that maybe are misbehaving, that type of thing. Speaking of, if we do !Discord. I need to set that up so that the Discord command goes there too. Actually, I'm just going to take that. can't get to go away? Really? Can you send me a screenshot in Discord? Let me know what's going on there, May, and we can talk through it further there. All right, man. All right. On that note, though, and thank you, May, for the question. I appreciate the insight there because I wasn't sure how me changing that setting would affect the rest of the server. So it's good to get that feedback. On that note, though, folks, if you're interested, join the Discord server to stay in touch when I am not live for any new things that are going out, like when I have blog posts that go out, any other content outside of live streaming on Twitch and YouTube. When I go live, you can subscribe to actions there to see all that. And just keep in touch and play some of those word games that we play, right, on daily. In addition to that, if you want to see, I'm not really that active on socials as much anymore other than sharing content. So if you're interested in that and you want to see more about what's going on with me, feel free to check those out there. There's all the links over on the Twitch chat. May, just post it in the general chat in Discord. That's fine. Or in the questions channel. Either one works for this. So there's all my socials if you'd like to keep in touch. But one extra special thank you to folks here that have been lurking, chatting with me. You just tuned in. You joined in on the raid from Finite today. Special shout out to Finite for that, and the resub from Finite. Everybody that resubbed, followed, that type of thing. It all means a lot to me. I appreciate that support. And I hope to see you next stream. If you haven't already and you're watching on Twitch, be sure to follow so that you can see the next stream when it goes live. On YouTube, like and subscribe if you will, so that you can get more content over there if you prefer that platform. And on that note, I'm going to end things. So thank you, everybody. Hope you had a good rest. Hope you have a good rest of your Friday. And I'll see you next week. Same place, same time. It will be Friday, October 20th, around 12:30 p.m. Eastern time. So mark your calendars. Hope to see you there. If not, maybe I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one. I'll see you all. Peace out.